Hello students, today we'll see the program based on while loop. A while loop is basically called entry control loop. Now how we can use it in a Java program, let's see. One program based, we have to do the patterns, we have to print some like numbers, we have to print it. Now just see over here, the loop is started. First, as you already know, first we have to create the class, next we have to create a method, and after that in the initially I want to print the numbers, means the value, so we have to give first times 0, means the value of the a variable is 0. Here the condition is written inside this while loop, that is a is less than, if a value is less than or equal to 5, till then it will increment with 1. Less than or equal to 5, then this particular condition, this particular loop will continuously doing their work. Now see, here it is written a plus plus, means if a is less than or equal to 5, then it will a plus plus, means it will increment the value of a like 0 1 2 3 like this, and print the value system.out.println and print the value from 1 to 6. Now here in the last out of while loop, how many loops are executed, how many number of times, so it is written here 6. As you can see, the first time a will be 1, because here if a is less than or equal to, this condition is matched, it is true now, so it will increment a plus plus, means a becomes 1 now, and after that it will give you one value, like a equals to 2, again 2, after 3 4 5 till 6 it will be increment because here 5 is written, so if less than 5 or equal to 5, here 6 times this particular loop will be execute, and after that it will just give you how many out of while loop, how many number of times the value of it is working, like 6 times this loop is worked, so it is written here 6. I hope this video is helpful for you, so thank you.